My lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable device in HP laptop camera in Windows 11. So for this case, I will go to the search options here. I can write, or here I have used it recently. Control panel, click here, and here I have got lots of things here. The device manager, I will click, and here I have maximized, and here the this is my laptop. See, that carries all kinds of information about these devices. So here I have clicked, broken this, and here also I have broken this. So click the right button. See here the disable device. If I have seen multiple problem about the cameras opening, so I can first disable and then enable. So if I disable, see, disable this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable? Yes. See, it has been, and it will take some time. Your hardware you must restart. I have to give in the not now. So again I have clicked the right button. See, now it has been enabled the device. I have enabled no. So if I have given the automatically, do you want to restart your computer? If I give the yes, then it has been restart. See, the thing has been here in this way, enable disable option. So in this way we can sort out the problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.